70% modal, 30% cotton. Touchless shipping. These sheet sets are shipped in their own individual, factory-sealed cartons, minimizing, and usually eliminating, anyone touching the actual bedding set from the factory to customer receipt. Extra soft jersey knit sheet set. 3-piece twin set includes one flat sheet, one fitted sheet and one standard pillowcase. Top quality construction. This sheet is knit of ultra-soft and cozy modal and combed cotton. You'll feel like you're sleeping in your favorite t-shirt every night. Beautiful colors. This sheet comes in a variety of soft and stylish colors so anyone can match them up with their bedding and decor. Perfect fit every time. The fully elasticized fitted sheet allows for the best and most secure fit on any mattress up to 15 inches deep. Soft tease jersey knit. The ultimate soft and cozy jersey knit sheet for everyone and every room. Kids' rooms, dorms, first apartments and master bedrooms. You will enjoy your best night's sleep wrapped in these finely knit sheets. You will not want to get out of bed. Soft, breathable and durable, these are a must-have. Construction. Jersey knit sheets are knitted of 70% modal and 30% combed cotton. Modal fabric is made by spinning cellulose that has been reconstituted from trees, most often beech trees. Modal is naturally breathable and silky smooth to the touch. It is color fast, resists shrinkage and is easy care. We combine both fabrics to create the essential jersey knit sheet. Top reviews from the United States. Marshmallow soft. Softest sheets ever. Great value for price. So far I've purchased 4 sets. They are my new go-to sheets.